Welcome to the Mountain Man Chronicles. Live, learn, and explore. Overlanding is about enjoying the journey, having childlike joy, and embracing the adventure. Sometimes those things come from different packages. This is one of them. The Enchanted Highway and the Enchanted Castle was an outstanding trip. To start the trip, I have to explain that my wife loves dragons. She loves castles, and after 23 years of marriage, she's told me that. So for our 23rd anniversary, I felt it was fitting to take my princess to the castle. What I did not expect was to find that I was as enchanted as she was by this journey. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy this adventure. On this trip, the Gladiator stayed home and we decided to take the Mustang out. The Mustang goes a little faster, a little funner to drive on these types of trips. Griff. We had the pleasure of meeting Gary Griff on this trip. It is his dream to save the town of Regency in North Dakota. Gary basically does it all. He manages the restaurant, manages the castle, built the art, taught himself to weld. He's just an amazing man. He was in many places at many times and really is the inspiration of this video. The first stop on our journey is called Geese in Flight, and this can be seen right off the highway. Talk about the warning of deer crossing. This gives it a whole new meaning. This sculpture is about 20 feet in the air, and better watch out, don't want that to smack into you. I find it ironic that the grasshoppers are here right in the middle of a cornfield. It was fitting, and they are gigantic. They're like 20 feet in the air, about 2 cars wide. Just huge critters. A little further down the road, we come across my wife's favorite one. It's called Fisherman's Dream, and if you look here carefully, you'll find various types of fish, and they're all very beautiful. My personal favorite are these. They seem so fitting out on the prairie. And by the way, we did see some of them on the road, but they weren't quite as large. And of course, you can't have something in North Dakota without having a pioneer spirit of Theodore Roosevelt. This is called Teddy's Crossing. It's a great tribute to our president. The one that started them all, the Tin Man family. Personal favorite. Love the ladies' hair. Love their little hairs on their head. And they are just ginormous. Great representation. Great art. And of course, we land at the castle. The place that was home for the weekend. We had to battle a dragon to get in, meet a knight, and help him fend off the castle. This dragon was fierce, will eventually breathe fire and roar very loudly. The knight was gallant with his shield and his sword at bay, ready to tackle the dragon and save us all. But I did get my princess into the castle. It's a great little story. I hope you enjoyed it. At the end of every adventure, I asked myself, was it worth it? This one absolutely was. It's a great story about a great man that's accomplished great things for a great cause. I hope you enjoy it. Please try to get a chance to go out to see the Enchanted Highway and stay at the Enchanted Castle. It was a lovely time, worth every second, and it's for a good cause. Remember, have the childlike joy, enjoy the journey, and embrace the adventure.